Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you desire. Your desire. I will talk to English. I will become a fluently speaker. But you are not you are not your start your journey. Why? Why? Your desire is not strong. Your daily procrastinations. I will I will next day, I will tomorrow. I'm start my journey. This is not good thought. This is not correct way. Yeah, without sacrifice you are not learn this language. My one questions, I how to learn your native language. Only listening and speaking. Okay, this is your listen, your lot of listening. Listening is the most important. Listening and speaking, your daily try to listen, your daily try to speak. Okay, speaking is a necessary. If you want to learn this language, speaking is the most important. Don't care, don't care, don't care the other people's. Your courage, your life, your courage, your speaking journey. You remove your procrastinations. Procrastination is a not good thought. You're strong your desire, and let's start your speaking journey. You will desire, and you can speak, you can talk. Okay, sometime you will talk. Okay, and remove your hesitation, remove your fear, remove your afraid, and you are not thinking what people will say. You take a lot of time this learning this language. I would say your daily your your daily work, your communication skill. Yes, and you should learn this language. Is this language is the most important. You you will talk to English. You complete your desire. Your lots of achieve your goal. Yeah, and you will try. You will daily try. You will daily try to speak. If you want to, if you want to talk to English. Okay. Thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak and remove your hesitations. Okay. We will meet next video. Bye bye.